Hello there! We need to hold on the horses because there is a pretty awesome thing that I want to show you. You know, UGS team, can I show them?
Do it.
Can I show them?
Do it.
Let's
Do it!
search something, you know? Let's go to Steam. It's on.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, indeed! Droian is on Steam, finally!
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
So, you know, we have finally made it. Our Steam Droian page. There you go. So, for those of you who want to, you know, actually know when it's released, we have the Steam page for Droian already. Yes, indeed, you can add this to your wishlist. Of course, I have done already. I just don't have the login on this.
Anyway, so
I have the LimboAi already in here. I'm not gonna do tutorials and show you how to put plugins on Godot and whatnot. Maybe in the future. Actually not. I'm learning on UGS channel, so you know. You can enjoy my learning experience because I was a teacher before, but I'm not here to teach, I'm here to learn. There you go. Shout out to the creator and whatnot. LimboAi, LimboAi, there you go. There's the thing. There's maybe a new version. Huh. Why not? Is it stable? I mean, great question. There is fix, and more fix, and more fix, and more fix, and I don't see new features. So I'm pretty sure it's actually more stable than the other that I had in the project. So maybe it's a good idea to download it. And the thing that I was saying about not showing you how to install a plugin, well, at least I'm going to show you how to update one. I'm actually hoping that it's just something of opening, extracting the things to Godot project folder, you know. See, this is my folder, as I have shown before, you know, my Godot project. There's this thing in here. I'm going to extract this to here and replace what needs to be replaced, because why not? I need to close this project, otherwise things may break. Let's do it again, just to make sure. Yes. And it's done. There's scanning stuff, there is shenanigan stuff, LimboAi is still in here, importing stuff, come on, come on. I swear to you, this engine is becoming more and more similar to other annoying engines, which is taking a long time just to open a freaking thing. So, LimboAi, Behavior Tree and State Machines, that's actually a very awesome thing in here. Now, it's an open source C++ plugin for Godot 4, which is pretty awesome, and you can see it's MIT licensed, so it's actually is open source being an actually good open source, you know. First off, I want to showcase. Let's see if they have fixed the... No, they don't. No, they have fixed the UI problems. So there's the sequence, which can do the pause and whatnot, and there's the pursuit player. I actually would love to see this thing. Ooh, I'm starting to like this. Alright, there's the sequence. The sequence starts the sequence, which makes sense, which goes to the pause before action. And in the pause before action, it plays the idle and waits, which makes sense. Then it goes to pursue the player. It starts pursuing the player and it plays the walk animation and do the code to pursue the player. Get first node in group player and then assign it to target. There's all the code to do that, which is, you know, so get first node in group. Okay, that's right. And then melee attacks and yeah, something simple. So let's try and attempt to do that, you know. Come on, let me get out of this, please. Pretty please. This, showcase. There's the arena. There's the environment and props. This one is what we want. There you go. This little dude. Let's analyze it, you see, because I want to go to here. Let me close this thing and this showcase because I don't care about that anymore. It's gonna be you. Flying enemy, I choose you. There's the dude. And you know, let's just do something like in here. This is the little thing, the character body to this, so let's do the same things. And let's put the thing in there, you know, for now. Do we want animations? I don't. Now I want a collider. It can be a collision shape. Collision shape needs what? Yes, it needs something in here. A circle, that's fine. Now, we have the flying bat in here with the collisions and everything, which is pretty awesome. What should we do now? Yeah, there is another way of doing animations. There is an older way, which is the way we do the animations. There's this one. Now, we have a moving enemy. So, let's create a behavior tree. BT. Now I want a new behavior tree and I want to open it. Now I want a sequence. In this sequence I want it to do stuff. Let's open this just to have an idea. So we have our new one. Is this the new one? Rename it just to make sure. You see? Let's make a new one and let's try to save it. There you go. There's a very weird name. Where did you save this in here? You didn't. I just want to make something. Let's try to do this in here, in this folder, because why not? Create new resource maybe. And behavior tree. I want to name it. Now, I want to create a sequencer, so let's do a sequence. And let's do something like this. So pause before action. Pause. This is a sequence, and I can name it. Yeah. And now what do you want with this warning? It's not even telling me why there's a warning. Let's just ignore it. Yay! Play animation idle. It doesn't matter. And wait 0.7 to 1.5 seconds. Yay! Play animation. Of course, because I'm doing animation stuff, of course I'm going to need to go there and create a new animation. I select this, I right click, insert key. Okay, let's do this, select, copy, let's go there, paste. I just wanted to make something simple. Come on, just a frame but slower. 0.4, insert another, and then let's make it 8. And insert another. And actually I'm going to do 6, and 12. Play animation. Animation to play. Can't I just drag the thing there? How does one select the thing? Let me see what you are doing in here. How does one do this? So, animation player, that's fine. And there's this, idle. Alright. So, in here, there's the animation player, load. So, are you telling me that I need to save this? I just want this thing to be recognized in this thing. What should the person do to do that? New BB code? It's that? It's this? Is it? Is it going to work? No. Wait. The wait thing. Wait. 2 seconds. This should be inside there. There you go. And now another sequence. Come on. The sequence goes outside. There's the pause. And we are going to do... There's the animation thing, please. It calls play animation. This goes in here. And this is walking. Close it. I didn't call you. Why am I on code? Will you do something? So, as you can see, I don't know if people have noticed it, but it is working. Hell yeah! This thing is actually... Well, I have struggled a little bit because of the animation stuff that I haven't played around with and haven't learned yet. Because I used to use the old system and programming animations and whatnot. Having a behavior tree is cool. There you go! Sometimes he rests. When he feels like it, because it's probability. Hell yeah! See? How he goes around for a long time. And then when he feels like it, he rests. And then when probability triggers in, he starts flopping around again. See? See? See how this can evolve for, you know, having a boss following you, stopping following you, performing an attack, start following you again, stops performing an attack. If it's an attack, how much damage he does. Starts following again. Next time he is going to do another attack. And you can see how we can evolve with this LimboAi thing to, you know, make enemy do cool shit for us. Well, the wishlist for this game is on Steam. So there you go. We have Droian page on Steam, you know. There's this little beautiful button that you can press, you know, click it, and thank you for watching. My brain is actually broken. See you next time.